Good morning, students. Today we are going to read the next part of class 7, that is leaves and its function. We have learnt about the autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition, in which we know that plants are called autotrophs because they can prepare their own food by the help of photosynthesis. But the most important part in the plant is leaf. Leaf have a lot of functions. Today we will learn detail about the leaf, and after this video, if you will see this video up to the end, after that you can answer each and every question related to the leaf. Let us start the leaf. First of all, you have to know about the part of leaf. Suppose it is a branch. From here a leaf is attached. From here we used to attach a leaf. The part from where the leaf is attached to the plant or stem, that is known as petiole. That is known as petiole. From here, from petiole, what happens? This leaf is attached to the plant. After this petiole, what we are actually, these petioles we used to get in the nodes. We used to get in the nodes. What do you mean by nodes? And in every nodes we are having these leaves used to come out from the nodes. In between, all the branches and leaves used to come out from the nodes. In between the part of two nodes, it is known as internode. It is known as internode, and this is known as petiole. After this, we are having a midrib. A rib used to generate from this part to another part. This is known as midrib. This is known as midrib of the plant. Just like that, we are having the backbone. We are having a backbone. Just like that, we can say this midrib is the backbone of the leaf. From midrib, we are having small generated veins. We are having veins. We can say these are veins. These are veins site. And after that, in that veins, we are also having a net-like structure in between the leaf. In between the leaf, we are having a net-like structure, and that net-like netted vein, you can say that part of netted, it is netted part of the vein. After that, in the leaf, we are having a tip of the leaf. That tip of the leaf is known as apex, or you can say tip, apex or tip. Now, after that, in the side part, the leaf is actually like this. The leaf is actually like this. This part is known as leaf blade, or simply known as lamina. Leaf blade or lamina. Sometimes why is this lamina is known as leaf blade? This lamina is known as leaf blade because sometimes when you will try to turn out the leaf, it used to cut your skin. That's why it acts like a blade. That's why it is known as leaf blade. Midrib used to give the support to the leaf, other part. And after that, from the midrib, we are having the supported rib, that is known as veins. In between the two veins, we are having a netted part that is used to supply the water to all the part. So first of all, in this rib, water used to come from this part. Now, the two questions are arised. What leaf used to do? two functions of the leaf. First function, two main function of the leaf. We can write two main function of plant, you can say. First is to prepare food. To prepare the leaf is important food factory of the plant because it used to prepare the food. Now how leaf will help in preparation of food? Now see, we know that in order to how to prepare the food, plant used to prepare the food by the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Now what this photosynthesis word mean? Photo means light. Photo means light and synthesis means to prepare, means plant can prepare the food by the help of photosynthesis, means from the sunlight. Now the question arises that we need four components for the photosynthesis. First component we can write sunlight. How to get the sunlight? Sunlight we are having everywhere, but how these plants used to absorb the sunlight? Plant used to absorb the sunlight with the help of a green pigment, known as chlorophyll. Plant used to contain a green pigment that is known as chlorophyll, and all the plants, maximum plants are green in color because they are having chlorophyll. That chlorophyll used to trap the sunlight that is used in the process of photosynthesis. Okay, sunlight we have got. After that sunlight we need water and mineral. After sunlight we need water and minerals. How plant used to get the water and mineral? For this water and mineral, you have to learn about a process that is known as, first process, that is transpiration. And second process, that is ascent of say. Now you might be thinking that what is transpiration? In the lower part of the leaf, in the lower part of the leaf contain a small pores. In the lower part of the leaf contain a small pores, and that pores are known as stomata. And what is the function of this stomata? First, what is the function of this stomata? Stomata have two functions. First function, that is transpiration. What is transpiration? The loss of water vapor. This, when I am giving you one example, when we used to feel heat, what happens? When we used to feel hot, what happens? Then sweat used to come out from our body. What is the function of the sweat? Sweat help in cooling our body. cooling our body. Just like that, this water loss from the leaf, lower part of the leaf, that is known as stomata, they help in the cooling the plant, and that stomata used to be escaped in the atmosphere. And surely, and second function of exchange of gases, exchange of gases, second is exchange of gases. This stomata used to exchange the gas. This stomata used to exchange the gas because after water and sunlight, third component that is needed, that is carbon dioxide. Without the help of carbon dioxide, plant can't able to prepare their own food. So carbon dioxide is very important, and we, all the animals, used to provide the carbon dioxide to the plant. That you know, oxygen and carbon dioxide cycle, in which we used to take the oxygen and give out the carbon dioxide. Plant used to take the carbon dioxide and give out the oxygen. But one thing you have to remember, that during the night time, plant used to liberate carbon dioxide. Yes, I am correct. During the night time, plant used to liberate carbon dioxide. So don't sleep under the tree during the night time. Now, after transpiration, what happens when water loss used to happen from the stomata? Then it will create a pressure in the stem. That is, we are having in the stem, we know that there are two types of, we are having xylem and phloem, that you will read in next chapter. But here we used to get the pressure, and due to that pressure, what happens? The water and mineral that we have given in the root, water and mineral that we have provided in the root, that used to go in the upward direction, that used to go in the, you can say H2O, water plus mineral, that used to go in the upward direction. This upward movement of the water and mineral, again I am repeating, the upward movement of the water and mineral due to the transpiration process. The upward movement of the water and mineral due to the transpiration process is known as ascent of sap, and this phenomena is very important for the movement of water and mineral from the root to the leaf. Now, this leaf have got, so leaf have a lot of function. It used to prepare the food. Now, after that, leaf have prepared the food by the help of photosynthesis. How they have prepared the food? So you can write the reaction of photosynthesis. Reaction of photosynthesis. Oh sir, you are teaching in plant also reaction. Yes, reaction for photosynthesis. How? In one shot you can know that how plant used to prepare their own food. They used to take the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. By the help of stomata, they used to absorb. They used to take the water from the soil that we used to put in the soil, and in the presence of two things. First, sunlight that can be trapped by chlorophyll, that can be trapped by chlorophyll, that can be trapped by chlorophyll. They used to give us C6H12O6, that is glucose. Glucose, that is food that we are getting from the plant, and also it used to give us the oxygen. So plant used to give us two important things as a product. First is glucose, that we are eating all the plant items, plant foods, and second is oxygen, that is lifeline of the human body. Without oxygen we cannot survive. Now, after that, plant have prepared the food by the help of photosynthesis, this reaction. Now, how plant will transfer this prepared food? When your mother used to prepare the food, mother used to transfer the prepared food to the different family members. Just like that, leaf have prepared the food. Now, what will leaf will do? leaf will transfer the food prepared to the different family members, that is stem, that is flower, that is branches. How it will transfer, that process is known as translocation. That is known as translocation. You can write the definition. The process of transfer of food prepared, from the leaf to the other parts. Means after food prepared, the leaf used to transfer all the food prepared from the leaf to the other part of the plant. That process is known as translocation. Now, leaves can be modified into different forms. Now, modification of leaves. First, modification in cactus. You have seen cactus. You have seen the cactus. What you are thinking, in cactus leaves are there or not? Now your answer will be no, sir. In the cactus there is no leaf. But you are wrong. In cactus we are having the spines. These spines are actually their leaves. These spines are actually their leaves. They are modified into spines to minimize the loss of water by the help of transpiration. Leaf area will be less, transpiration rate will be less. Now one more thing I want to explain, that you might have seen crotons. Decorative plants. Actually, crotons, decorative plants, they are red in color. Instead, they can prepare their own food. How it is possible? Actually, the green pigment, that is chlorophyll, that is hidden under the red color. Red color is in the top. It is for decorative purpose. But under the hidden, there is a chlorophyll. Surely, chlorophyll, if it is inside, it cannot prepare the food by the ordinary photosynthesis, but it used to prepare the food. So this is student all about the leaf, all the process related to the leaf. Surely, if you have understood the leaf, if you have any doubt, you can provide on the comment section. We, SBN Parivar, is with you in this lockdown period. We, along with all the faculty members, will teach you from here. But be at home. Don't come out. Be at home. Support the government. Thank you.